Guys, I forgot where I left off, but I told you guys that I got new coilovers for the Evo, and I've had them for a few weeks now, and it is finally time to put them on. So I literally saved the unboxing for you guys. I haven't even taken the tape off. So I'm gonna have Austin hold the camera for me, and I'm gonna show you guys these beauties, because I haven't seen them, so you guys will see them at the same time I am. And yeah, we're gonna install the new coilovers, see how they ride, get rid of this monster truck height. So right now, this is, I don't know, what would you say, Austin, like 2 inches?
Yeah,
about 2 inches. So maybe we'll get away with dropping it about an inch. I'm not gonna totally slam this thing, but I definitely want it a little bit lower. So hopefully it handles better, looks a little bit better, and that's the goal. I get the Snap-on knife, dude?
Yep, it's a Snap-on knife. See, it says Snap-on the side.
Dude, that's special.
It's a Kershaw Snap-on.
Bro, these are hand built for me.
For me.
Oh, this is actually pretty sick, dude. Ooh. The actual coils themselves. They come really nicely bubble wrapped. This is so exciting. Literally never had a new set of coilovers in my life. Ooh. Dude, those look sick. Yeah, those are super nice.
All right, so you set that one for spring tension, and then that's height.
Sick. So we're gonna slam it, dude.
Raise it all the way up.
Make it even more of a monster truck. Let's do it. No, honestly, that green is super nice. I like those a lot.
Yeah, it'll look good in the engine bay.
Hopefully they ride really, really nice. So we're gonna unbox the rest, and then we'll jack this thing up, start taking the old stuff off, and throw these on. And I didn't tell you guys, these are just the Fortunato 500s with standard springs. I didn't get the Swift springs, I just got their base model coilover, but hopefully it's gonna be much better than what came on this car, because the suspension on the Evo 8 is completely stock. It's gonna handle way better when we get these on. All right, so Austin and I checked out all of the shocks, and they're definitely leaking a little bit on every single corner. So this is just like a nice little maintenance upgrade for the Evo. So that one's a little bit crusty. This one right here has a little bit of buildup. Not too terrible on this guy. This one's kind of bad and just ugly. And then this one. So, getting rid of this disgusting looking thing and putting these beauties in there. Oh, it's gonna look so good. And it's gonna ride really well. I'm so hyped. I've literally been waiting for coilovers for over a year. I just never pull the trigger on anything, but I got a good deal on these, and I figured why not? All right guys, so we got the old shocks out, the crusty boys, and then Austin is trying to figure out where we should set the ride height on this. You said you think you have it pretty close?
I feel like it's a good guess in my heart.
Fully slammed to the ground.
Yeah, bottomed out.
Stance boys. God, these look so sick. I know you're not even gonna be able to see them, but just knowing they're on there makes me feel good. It's so crazy though, like new parts versus 120,000 miles. That's crazy. All right, so we're messing with the ride height on the rear. So Austin's gonna throw up the tire and we're gonna see where this sits. Because if it ain't slammed, dude, I'm just joking. Oh, bro, that's gonna look so sick. That'll probably rub pretty bad though, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna drop a little bit, so I don't know. I'm gonna guess another inch or so down. And it might be pretty good.
Yeah, because that, I mean, the fitment looks pretty good, but yeah, we definitely be rolling our own fenders, that's for sure. All right guys, so we got both of the rears done, and here is how it's sitting on the lift. Now it is probably gonna drop about a ½ inch, so it's not the final fitment, but I think once it drops about a ½ inch and the suspension settles, I think the fitment is gonna be absolutely perfect. It's gonna look really good. So you can kind of see the Fortunato up there. So excited, but yeah, you'll have to let me know what you guys think. What was it, like a 4 inch? You said it was 4 inches on each side, Austin?
Yeah, like the threaded section is about 4 inches.
Yeah, the threaded section's about 4 inches. So we're hoping this is gonna work.
I feel like that's a good guess.
Yeah, I think that's a great guess. Cause yeah, about a 1/2 inch. Should have maybe another 1/2 inch once everything settles. So yeah, now we're moving on to the front. And then once the front's done, we'll let the car settle and we will go align it. All right, guys, all wheels are back on. All coilovers are installed. Now we get to see how she sits. So obviously it's gotta settle. How long does it take to settle? Probably like a couple days to fully settle, you think?
I don't know.
Oh, bro. That looks pretty sick.
It's gonna drop a little lower though.
Is it? Is it much lower than it was before? I can't tell.
Yeah, the lift's bottomed out and I think it's still touching the car.
Oh, the lift is?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. So we put blocks underneath the tires. Look at that. So you said front's still touching?
Front's still touching the rack. Hasn't bottomed out completely yet.
Dude, this looks sick though. Honestly, that fitment's pretty nice. The 255s look pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad.
And then here's the back, guys.
That's pretty clean.
Bro, that's sick. Oh my gosh, she's gonna handle good and it looks so sick. I bet going down the road now, it's gonna look insane.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more blocks under there and see where it sits.
Okay.
Hopefully it doesn't drop another inch.
All right, we'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we put another block under and now the lift's not touching it at all. And if we leave it like this, she's gonna be super low. But I think it looks sick. You guys will have to let me know what you think, but I think it looks really good. What do you think? Do we raise it back up a little or we keep it there?
That might be good.
You think that'll be good? Will it rub?
Good, but
All right, guys, so we raised the front and the back about a 1/2 inch.
that looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks good. It'll settle a little more, but that's about a 1/2 inch. I don't think that's gonna rub too bad. Just low enough to look good, but I don't think it'll rub too bad. All right, here's another shot for you guys. Dang, that looks good, bro. So much better than before. All right, so it got dark last night and I just wanted to enjoy the car and see what it was like before I tell you guys. But the car is amazing. The Fortune Autos ride so nice. And I really wanted to show you guys the finished product because I'm super happy with the ride height. The car finally looks the way it should. So without further ado, I've showed you guys already, but here's a nice little edit of the new Evo. Man, I don't know what you guys think, but I think the Evo looks so sick now. It's about, I think we have like an inch gap now. I mean, it's honestly really not that big of a gap, but it's about maybe 1, maybe 2 fingers. So I think it looks super good. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Should we slam it more? Should we keep it here? I really want to get new wheels because I'm just over the Rotas and I want like a legit wheel for my Evo. I'm thinking, I really like TE37s. I don't know if I want to be that guy, but you guys will have to let me know what you think. What do you think of the Evo 8? You think it looks good? It rides super nice. So we're gonna go hop in. I'm gonna have Grace film me and get my reaction because I haven't really cornered a ton in it. So let's go for a drive and I will give you guys my honest impressions of the Fortune Auto 500s. All right, so we're gonna get Grace's reaction. I didn't film, but I did a little bit of a pull around the corner and she goes, oh my God, that's fast, it doesn't roll. So
Yeah.
what do you think? It
Yeah.
handles a little bit better? It's like there's just not a ton of body roll now.
Yes.
We'll take
It's
some corners
ridiculous
in.
going fast and like not like tipping.
And you'll
Like-
see when we do full throttle, you remember how it like kind of squatted real hard?
Yeah.
And then when you let off,
Oh
it
gosh. so-
nosedived.
okay. Yeah.
It doesn't do that anymore. So
Okay.
it's more controlled.
I'm nervous.
It like to me doesn't feel as fast because it's like so stable now. They ride
I'm
pretty
nervous.
good though, right? Like pretty comfy?
Yeah. No. Yeah. I just wasn't.
No.
I wasn't anticipating that. Okay, we're gonna see if I can hold the camera steady. I'm braced. I'm ready. Okay. Oh my God. Whew, okay. Baby, I was on a dirt bike for the first time in 3 years today. How much adrenaline are you trying to get out of me?
All of it.
No, it feels really good.
The Evo, it's so funny. The Evo feels so slow to me now, but I mean, it handles amazing, but it feels slow.
We were in my truck all day.
I think my 450 pulls harder than this thing. The ride quality though of these Fortunatos, guys, if you're thinking about getting a coilover, Fortune Autos, I mean, I obviously don't have experience with other coilovers, but these are amazing. Like my buddy Austin has K Sports on his. His are a little bit blown out, but he rode in this and he's like, dude, I'm getting a pair. Because he loved,
really?
Yeah, he loved the way these handled and felt.
Yeah.
And with only like maybe 1-2 fingers of gap, we don't have any rubbing issues, anything like that. So I'm honestly super impressed with it.
I was about to say it barely felt like we were turning, but then you went really fast and I couldn't speak. And then it felt like we were turning very quickly.
Feels good? It's just so planted now. Like it's like, it just, I think the tires aren't as bouncy, so, you know, they're contacting the ground more. I don't know, they feel super good.
Yeah, no, it
There's
feels
a corner
great.
up here that we'll take fast and see how it does. That'll be like the test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
See how well? I've never done this corner, so.
I'm holding tight to the camera. Oh, shit!
Watch your profanity.
Baby, that's nuts!
Yeah, they rub a little bit, but I haven't even tested them on corners, so rub a little bit, but not too bad.
That was impressive.
But it's just like,
How fast were you going?
I don't know, I hit that corner fast as hell though. That was pretty good.
Wow. Baby, I'm very... Oh, there... Hello, policeman.
We
have
didn't just
been
take that
driving
corner
this
at like
speed
70,
limit.
bro. It's fine, dude.
We don't do
Oh my
anything
god,
wrong.
dude. That was sick, huh? So it rubs a little. Like I said, I hadn't tested it yet. You guys probably heard that in the video. It rubs a little bit, but I mean, for that hard of cornering, that's not bad.
That was crazy. Absolutely.
And it was like
crazy.
a weird sloped corner too, so that's hard to say.
Damn, baby.
But she said slow, like for as low as she is.
For that little rub, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
of course.
nuts. I'm
glad you like
I'm
it.
excited. That corner was very, like, now I'm awake and I don't feel exhausted from the day. Like everything about you.